When you run your workloads in GCP, you use projects to organize them. You use Google Cloud Identity and Access Management, also called IAM or IAM, to control who can do what. And you use your choice of several interfaces to connect. In this module, you'll use these basics to get started. Projects are the main way you organize the resources you use in GCP. Use them to group together related resources, usually because they have a common business objective. The principle of least privilege is very important in managing any kind of compute infrastructure, whether it's in the cloud or on premises. This principle says that each user should have only those privileges needed to do their jobs. In a least privilege environment, people are protected from an entire class of errors. A coworker of mine once accidentally deleted a running production database. Why? Because he was working as the root user on the system when he shouldn't have been. His name is Brian, and he's still very, very sorry. GCP customers use IAM to implement least privilege, and it makes everybody happier. There are 4 ways to interact with GCP's management layer: through the web-based console, through the SDK and its command line tools, through the APIs, and through a mobile app. In this class, you'll mostly use the console and the command line tools. When you build an application on your on-premises infrastructure, you're responsible for the entire stack security, from the physical security of the hardware and the premises in which they're housed, through the encryption of the data on disk, the integrity of your network, all the way up to securing the content stored in those applications. When you move an application to Google Cloud Platform, Google handles many of the lower layers of security. Because of its scale, Google can deliver a higher level of security at these layers than most of its customers could afford to do on their own. The upper layers of the security stack remain the customer's responsibility. Google provides tools such as IAM to help customers implement the policies they choose at these layers.